So in this video, what I want to show you is how you're going to kind of take a standard letter. So you can see here, I've got some of them I've just marked with kind of chevrons in it, those things there, because these are the ones I'm going to be pulling from my Excel file. I'm basically combining this letter with my Excel file. And if I come down here and have a look here at my Excel file, which is up here, you'll see there I've kind of got a list of, title, given name, surname. See up here, I've got my title and given name, surname, city, full name of the state, and just the email address as well. So let me come back down into my Word document. Okay. So what I do is I begin by clicking up here on my mailings. And then this time I choose Start Mail Merge. And then the one at the very top is letters. I just choose letters. And then I choose the second one from the left, which is select recipients. I choose that one. And again, I'm not going to do a new list. I'm going to use an existing list. Okay, and then as always, it always defaults to this kind of weird one. So I need to go down here to this one, and here's my list of names. And then I just click OK on this one again. Now what I do then at this point is that I can come up here to edit recipient list. So if I only want to view some of them, I can. And because there's quite a few of them in it, it's just going to rumble on through for a few seconds. Give it a second now. And what I'm looking at is just down here at the bottom. I'm looking at it reading the records. There we go. Of course, that's what I've given it 3,000 records as well. I'm waiting for that. Okay, there we go. Now I'm not going to do any filtering on this one, but I could if I want to, and I'd filter it in the standard way, just using one of these little drop downs here. Okay, so if you just need to do a little bit of filtering, that'd be the place to do it. So click OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to this one, which says Insert Merge Field. And I come down here to this one, I highlight Title. I just click on Title, put in a comma. Well, I don't need a title, full space, or space anyway. Highlight the next one, which is Given Name. Insert Merge Field, choose my given name. Again, watch for the space. I highlight Surname again. There we go. And then I come down here to City, Insert Merge Field City, press Enter, go down here to State. I'm just going to go to State Full. Now then down here, come down to this one, which is my title. Whoops. Insert Merge Field again, Title. And then go to Surname. And then I can go here to City. Now, one thing you can watch for is this. You can do at this point. So if you think this is a letter you're going to be using again, if you just save it at this point, all right, save it in this format at this point, and then if you get more records or they change later on, you can run it again as requires. Okay, so I'm going to go back here to Preview Results, and then you can see there. And if I go use this to move through, I can have a very quick look at these ones here. Now I'm going to remove the green from these, change the color. Okay, go back up there to Home, and just use my little thingamabob over here, Automatic. And if I press F4 again here, that repeats the last thing I've done. F4 again repeats the last thing I've done. Okay, then I come back up here to my mailings again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this one, which says Finish and Merge. Now, do not send it straight to the printer, all right, because that's the day it definitely won't work. What I would do is I would just have a very quick look at, see there it says Edit Individual Documents. And I'm just going to go maybe from, let's say, 1 to to 10. And this should be enough just to give me a quick flavor of, you know, does it look okay? Click OK. All right, there we go. And if I scroll down, see you've got all these others. I know there's 10 of them in it because when I look down here, it says 2 of 10. Right? And this is the actual document that you can actually send out. And if you look up here, it's called letters. So I could save this. This is what I'm going to send out. But the other one, like the interim document, like my working document, that has my fields in it. And I know the fields because when I highlight them, see the font, it changes to a slightly different color. All right. So that's it. And once you're finished, you can save it again. Hope you find this useful. Mind yourself and take care.